Hello, hello, it is the Trading Captain. I'm currently sitting up $15.08 on the day. Now, I only took 2 trades today, so pretty tame, especially when you consider that we are really in the midst of a hot market right now. And I think because I only took 2 trades, this could signal maybe that I am being a little too conservative with my entries. We were in a really long cold stretch over, we'll say, from October up until December, and maybe I have recalibrated too harshly to avoid capitalizing on this momentum. So that's something I need to look into. Anyway, as for these 2 trades, one was a full-size winner. The other one was a trade where I ended up cutting it early because I didn't like the way the trade was playing out. Now, before I go over my trades, I want to talk about the theme today because it seemed like there was a very clear pattern, and that was that a lot of stocks were AI related and doing well. For BNAI, I'll actually switch to the 5-day just to show it better. This stock had an absolutely crazy move going up over 500%. And as a result, a lot of the stocks that moved today had AI themes to them. Even some of the moves, like we'll go ahead and just pull up one real quick we'll just do GXAI. This was a stock that had no news, but it had this monster move. And this is really because a lot of these stocks had AI in it. And because we are in the hot market, people are FOMOing. They're chasing anything that moves if it's related to the stocks that are moving. So this ended up getting a lot of support. Now, I ended up trying to take a trade on STAI because, again, the AI name, even though there was no news on it, GXAI did well. There was one other one that did well in addition. So I figured I would give a try at this one for a recovery attempt because this initial flush was quite brutal, honestly. Now, I did end up getting a nice hit on it, did capture part of this recovery, about half of it, but ultimately this thing ended up rolling over. So my overall thesis that just because it was an AI stock was incorrect. I did manage to capitalize on the recovery, but unfortunately, this just didn't end up recovering. Now, I will watch this to see how this recovers by tomorrow. I am curious if we recover from this gap down, but that has yet to be seen. So the other stock I traded was NVVE. This was one. We'll go ahead and switch back to the 1 minute because the 1 minutes, the time frames are very important here. So this had a huge spike on very, very low volume. And again, this was one where it was kind of iffy about whether the catalyst really meant anything. And as this was selling off, I was noticing that on all of these bounce attempts, we were getting low volume on the bounces up, and we were getting high volume on the selling pressure. Now, this tells me that we are in distribution. And in addition, any attempt to make a 1 minute high or just any kind of high in general was getting beaten down very hard. And this signaled to me that for whatever reason, there was someone distributing very heavily here. Now, when we had this breakdown, I was initially looking to get in here around $3. I did get in, but after, I'd say maybe a minute, 30 seconds, somewhere around there of holding the trade, seeing it struggle to get back above $3 whenever we just fell 60 cents really seemed like a red flag to me. That piled with what looked like a hidden seller on these 2 levels, I took the read that even if this works out, the risk is too high. So I ended up cutting the trade. Turns out it was a slight profit, but realistically, it looks like I totally made the right decision because this one also ended up rolling over. So where does this leave us? I think for tomorrow, I need to keep trading generally the way I am, maybe ease off the brakes a little bit because it seems like today, again, I missed some opportunities because I was not taking enough risk. I wasn't getting close enough to those potential entries. And we saw this on Friday. On Friday, I think it was like 6 or 7 missed trades because I was being too conservative. And we saw that repeat again here today. So that's something I'm going to be really focusing on for tomorrow going into my trading. And yeah, that pretty much wraps up the recap. If you like what you saw here, please do leave a like. Helps me out. And I will be back tomorrow. Take care.